flying so high, colorful feathers in the sky. A to Z, come sing with me. Let's name the birds from A to Z. A is for albatross, gliding with grace. B is for bluebird with a happy face. C is for cardinal, red and bright. D is for duck, waddling in the light. E is for eagle, soaring up tall. F is for flamingo, pink and tall. G is for goose, honking all day. H is for hummingbird, buzzing away. Tweet, tweet, flap your wings, fly around as we all sing. From the trees to the sky, birds are everywhere flying by. I is for ibis, long and lean. J is for jay, so bright and keen. K is for kingfisher, diving for fish. L is for lark, with a morning wish. M is for macaw, colors so grand. N is for nightingale, the best in the land. O's for owl, who hoots at night. P is for parrot, talking delight. Q is for quail, quiet and shy. R is for robin, with a twinkle in her eye. S is for sparrow, small and sweet. T is for toucan, with a big beak. U is for umbrella bird, fancy and proud. V is for vulture, circling the cloud. W is for woodpecker, tap tap. X is for xenox, with a quick flap. Y is for yellowhammer, sunny and bright. Z is for zebra, finch, a lovely sight. Birds flying so high, colorful feathers in the sky. A to Z,